Many healthcare organizations don't realize that they can install AI models like ChatGPT locally. At GreenM, we specialize in deploying existing open-source AI models on local servers within clients' existing infrastructure, ensuring the data never leaves their boundaries. This approach maintains complete control and privacy over sensitive patient data, ensuring compliance with regulations like HIPAA. This is particularly important for those responsible for managing data and technology within their organizations. There is a perception that local installations are costly and less flexible. That's a common misconception. While there might be an initial setup cost, the long-term benefits and cost savings are substantial. Local installations eliminate ongoing fees of using public AI cloud services and reduce the risk of costly data breaches. At GreenM, we provide a full set of solutions, from choosing the right model to integrating it into existing applications. These models are also highly customizable, allowing healthcare organizations to fine-tune them according to their unique needs. This flexibility is crucial for leaders looking to adaptable solutions that enhance their operations and workflows. So, how does GreenM ensure compliance with regulations like HIPAA? Compliance is integrated into every step of our process. We conduct thorough audits and implement strict access controls to ensure that all data handling meets regulatory standards. By keeping data on premises, we minimize the risk associated with data transfer and external storage, making it easier for healthcare organizations to maintain compliance. This is essential for anyone focused on regulatory adherence and data security. So, what services does GreenM offer to support the operationalization of these AI models? We provide a comprehensive service where our engineers handle the entire personalization process. This includes installing the AI models locally, integrating them into clients' infrastructure and applications, and working closely with clients' teams to ensure a smooth connection and knowledge transfer. Our engineers are available in both onshore and offshore locations to ensure 24/7 coverage of business operations. This support is crucial for organizations needing seamless integration and continuous support. Alright, so what other benefits can healthcare organizations expect from using local AI models besides enhanced security? In addition to security, organizations can expect improved efficiency and reliability. Local AI models provide quick and consistent performance without relying on external servers, which is crucial for critical healthcare applications. These models are also ready to be fine-tuned with customer data to make them even more applicable to address unique use cases. We've noticed that fine-tuning models significantly impacts their performance. This efficiency and adaptability are vital for those looking to improve clinical outcomes and operational workflows. So, do healthcare organizations need ongoing external support for these locally installed models? Not necessary. Our goal is to empower organizations with a set of tools and knowledge to support continued operations and enhance these models. At the same time, we offer comprehensive support, which includes regular updates and maintenance and assistance with any technical issues. Our goal is to let healthcare organizations focus on their core activities while we handle the technical complexities whenever they arise. This approach provides a peace of mind to those responsible for maintaining and enhancing IT infrastructure.